Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how to add a new page to your website. So we just click on page list here, and then we go over and we add page. This will add the default layout. You can give your page a name. If it's going to appear in the menu, this is what you'll see. So I'm just going to call this adding page. I'm not going to put mine in the main menu because this is my live site, but normally if you're adding a page and you want it in your main menu, you would choose this one. But for today I'm going to choose not in menu, and you simply create page and view page. What this will do, this will take us to the editing page, and so you can see there we've got a blank page with our header and our footer on it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click edit page, and this gives us the options to put text or YouTube videos or graphics or whatever it is you might want to put on your site into the relevant sections. So we're just going to add some text for now. So we'll just click on text, and then I'm just going to add some normal text. You could add text with an image. There's lots of different options there that you can play with. So the page will load with a text box, and you've got a title box. So this is where the title goes. And then down here, this is where you'd normally type your text. With these you can format like Word document or email. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change the colour. We'll make this text red. There we go, there's some red text. We might just bold, and we'll underline that as well, just so it stands out a bit. Other things you can do, you can make it bigger, so we can make it like that, or we could also change the font. It's important to note there that you can actually add your own fonts as well to give you more of a range. So you would normally just go through and just type in whatever you want to see, type in what you want to see on your website, and then once you've done it, you simply just apply changes. That's going to reload the preview where we could add different text. So just waiting for that to load now, and then there we go. We just hit apply changes again. Of course, if you wanted to put some more things on, you can add below this section or above it. You can use these arrows to move it around, or you could use these boxes or even this one down here. It just depends on what you're trying to achieve. Down here is where you can change the layout of the page. So you can see there's some different defaults and with dividers, so you just pick whichever one suits what you're trying to achieve. I'll just cancel that because I don't need to do that. So now we just hit apply changes again, and then there we go. That is it. That is how you create a web page. It's that simple.